Good morning, all of you. I am Rasya Patan from Gunanmaji Vidyapith, standard third. So, students, in a previously we learned about the division word problems. In that, we'll completed question number first, right? So, first we will start little bit recap because of the after 3 and 4 days we'll meet, right? After 3 and 4 days के बाद हम मिल रहे हैं after the Makar Sankranti. I hope so you all are enjoy Makar Sankranti and celebrate nicely, right everyone? So that we'll start little bit recap and then we'll start question number second, solve the word problems in notebook. Okay, so we'll start the recap first. Okay students, so in that we'll do revision about the word problems. Now Ravi has a 20 eggs. He packed the egg by the putting 4 eggs in a one basket. How many baskets will he needed to pack it all together, all eggs? In that, what we have to do? How many baskets will he need? First of all, we have to find numbers and keywords. So number is a 20, 4th, and how many. Now ask what they are asked. How many baskets will needed? How many baskets will he needed? Then draw for understanding. So in that draw we have to draw here egg. 32 eggs, 20 eggs is there. So here we have to do 3 boxes. Then step 4 is the operation. So what we have to do? Ravi is a pack eggs into an equal group of 4 eggs. So we will do division. In the last 20 divided by 4 is equal to answer is 5. Ravi will need it 5 basket. Okay. So this one is a. Now we'll start worksheet number 20. Solve the following word problems in a notebook. So in that, a teacher has a 96 notebook to given 8 students. How many notebook will each students will get? टीचर्स के पास 96 नोटबुक्स थी, वो नोटबुक 8 स्टूडेंट्स को दे दिए, ठीक है. तो हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? पर स्टूडेंट्स कितनी नोटबुक्स आई है वो हमें फाइंड करना है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दैट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो फर्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन. इन दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड स्टेप 1 नंबर. सो इन that number is, what was the number is 96 notebooks are there. How many notebooks are there? 96 notebooks, 8 students. How many students are there? 8 students are there. 96 notebook, 8 students are there. Okay, so numbers is completed. Step 2, ask. What they are asked? How many notebook will each students get? So in that, now step 3, draw. Step 3 is a draw. (96) divided by 8. Okay, 96 divided by 8. Now here we have to do question mark because we don't have an answer. Then step 4, operation. Which operation will use? Division operation. Which operation? Division operation. Step 5, solution is there. So 96 divided by 8. 96 divided by 8. Okay. So in that, (96) divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8, 9 on your finger. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Cut 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Remain number is a 1. Now bringing down 6. Next number is a 16. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. 6 minus 6 0. 1 minus 1 0. So answer is there are 12 books, 12 notebook will each students get. Okay. Now students, first look at this first 4 steps. I'll give you 1 minute, complete your work. Here answer is 12. Answer is 12. Okay students, I hope so. 1 to 4 step is completed. Now I'll show you next step, step 5. Look at the steps, step number 5, and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, now second one question. A mother gives 465 equally to her 5 sons. How much money does each son get? How much money each son get? Okay, so we'll start that. So students, second one, B1 sum. Step 1. Here we have to follow the step 1. Numbers and keywords. So there are 465 rupees equally, and how many sons are there? 5 sons are there. Step 2. Ask what they are asked. How much money does each son get? Does each son get? Step 3. Operation. $465. Here is a question mark because we don't have an answer. Now step 4. Operation. Here we'll use division operation. Step 5. Solution is there. 465 divided by 5. So in that 465 5 2 digit number हम यहाँ पे लेंगे because of the 4 is a smaller number than 5. 4 is a smaller number than 5. So in that 5 8s are 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. 6 minus 5 1. 4 minus 4 0. Bringing down here 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 5 minus 5 0. 1 minus 1 0. So here answer, what was the answer is there? Each son gets rupees 93. Rupees 93. Now students, first you have to look at this 4 steps and write it down in your notebooks. Now here we have to write 93 rupees. Look at this 4 steps and write it down in your notebook. Then I'll show you next 5th one steps. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, now I'll show you next step. Step number 5. You have to look at the steps and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Third one question. On his birthday, Jaga buys 600 toffees for school. ठीक है, जगा ने 600 टॉफी स्कूल में लेके आया. He wants to put them equally in 4 पैकेट्स. उसको 4 पैकेट्स में इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करनी चाहिए. ठीक है. How many toffees should he put in 1 पैकेट? 1 पैकेट में कितनी टॉफीज आएगी वो हमें फाइंड करना है. जगह कितनी टॉफीज लेके आया था? 600 टॉफीज आर देयर. 600 टॉफीज थी. वो 600 टॉफीज को 4 इक्वल पैकेट्स में उसको रखना था. सो विल फाइंड द हाउ मेनी टॉफीज शुड ही पुट इन अ 1 पैकेट. 1 पैकेट में कितनी टॉफीज आएगी वो हमें फाइंड करना है. ओके, विल फॉलो सम स्टेप्स. स्टेप 1, numbers and keywords is there. So in that numbers is 600 toffees are there. 600 toffees are there and 4 packets are there. How many packets are there? 4 packets are there. Step 2, ask what they are asked to us. So in that step 2 is a ask. So how many toffees should he put in 1 packet? Put in 1 packet. Okay. Then step 3, draw. Here we have to draw 3 boxes. In the one box we have to write 600, second one 4 division sign, and third one is a blank. Now what you have to do, students, you have to look at these shapes, okay, and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay students, now we'll start step number 4, operation. So we'll use division operation here. Step 5, solution. In that 600 divided by 4, four ones are 4, 6 minus 4, 6 on your finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cut 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Remaining number is a 2. Bringing down here 0, 20, 5 4s are 4 5s are 20. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Bringing down 0. Division is not possible. Put it here, 0. So, answer is Jagga. Answer. Jagga should put 150 toffees in each packet. Okay. Now look at step number 4 and 5 and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. And students, what was your homework is there? You have to complete the worksheet number 20 in that question number 2. वर्कशीट नंबर 20 में क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, वो आप लोगों को कंप्लीट करना है. बिफोर 3 o'clock आप हमें व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में सबमिट करवाओगे. ठीक है एवरीवन, आई होप सो यू ऑल आर अंडरस्टूड व्हाट वाज योर होमवर्क. योर होमवर्क इज यू हैव टू कंप्लीट योर वर्क बिफोर 3 o'clock एंड होमवर्क योर बिफोर 3 o'clock कंप्लीट करके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में हमें सबमिट करवाना है. ठीक है, कंप्लीट योर वर्क फर्स्ट. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day. Complete your homework.